Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. What causes corruption in Gambella governments? Let's explore the key factors that contribute to this regrettable phenomenon in our beloved city Gambella. One crucial factor is the desire for unlimited power and control by those in authority. You might recall the story of Gideon, who was chosen by God as a hero. But, unfortunately, Gideon became corrupt when he started to crave power and dominion over others. Another factor is greed. Governing authorities often see themselves as gatekeepers of wealth and resources, and they can become corrupted by their insatiable thirst for more. They might embezzle funds or manipulate systems for their own gain, thinking they are entitled to these resources due to their position. Moreover, a government that lacks accountability can easily turn corrupt. When there are no checks and balances in place, officials may abuse their positions without fear of consequences. It's crucial for governments to have transparent systems and strict oversight to prevent corruption from taking root. So there you have it, 3 key factors that contribute to corruption in governments: the desire for unlimited power, greed, and a lack of accountability. I hope this insight has been enlightening for you all. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care.